Self-installed sound-absorbing panels. It can achieve seamless stitching. Install a high-end background wall in no time. Professional machine slotting. Fabrication. The wood grain texture is extremely realistic. Backside polyester sound-absorbing panel design. Not only does it reduce noise and insulate sound, and there are various styles, varied surface patterns and customizable options. Smooth surface without dust accumulation. Surface resistant to wear and scratch. Easy to clean up the dirtiness. Apply the structural adhesive directly to the backside. Suitable for a wide range of interior decoration spaces.